Hello students, good morning. Let's start today's class. Dear student, today we are going to revise the new lesson, that is the Southern Plateau. In Southern Plateau, in this lesson, first of all we will discuss about word bank and then after related exercise of this lesson. So first word bank is plateau, a flat land. A flat land. Beta, keep in mind, plateau is a flat land higher than the लैंड अराउंड इट. मतलब जो आसपास का जो लैंड है उससे हाइयर होता है और इसकी जो खास बात है वो क्या है, फ्लैट होता है. इसका जो टॉप होता है वो फ्लैट होता है. जबकि अगर व्हेन वी टॉक अबाउट द माउंटेन, द टॉप ऑफ द माउंटेन इज कॉनिकल शेप लाइक कोन. एंड नेक्स्ट इज सीजनल रिवर. बेटा एज वी नो, सीजनल मीन्स time to time there is change in season. So seasonal river means it is affected by the season. Rivers that dry up during summer. मतलब बेटा रिवर जो कि समर के टाइम में, गर्मी के टाइम में सूख जाती है, उसको हम बाकी समय पानी उसमें रहता है, वाटर रहता है. इस तरीके की जो रिवर होती हैं उनको हम क्या बोलते हैं, सीजनल रिवर. सो रिवर्स दैट ड्राइज अप ड्यूरिंग समर, it is called seasonal river. Question may be asked in different way. This line may given, ये लाइन दी जा सकती है और इसके 4 ऑप्शन बनाए जा सकते हैं. तो बेटा इसी तरीके से क्वेश्चन आपके फ्रेम होंगे एग्जाम में, तो प्रिपरेशन अपने आप इसी तरीके से करिएगा. नेक्स्ट इज बेटा वाटरफॉल, अ स्ट्रीम ऑन अ रिवर फॉलिंग फ्रॉम अ हायर लेवल. वाटरफॉल, अ स्ट्रीम और अ रिवर फॉलिंग, मतलब जब कोई भी नदी ऊंचाई से गिरती है नीचे की तरफ, उसको हम बोलते हैं, क्या बोलते हैं बेटा, वाटरफॉल. इट इज कॉल्ड वाटरफॉल, अ स्ट्रीम और अ रिवर फॉलिंग फ्रॉम अ हायर लेवल. नेक्स्ट इज बेटा टिक द करेक्ट आंसर्स. हियर 4 ऑप्शंस आर गिवन and you have to choose the right one. First one is river dash divides the southern plateau into the central highlands and the Deccan plateau. River dash divides the southern plateaus into the central highlands and the Deccan plateau. So what will be the correct answer here? You just guess, try to give the answer. Yes student, which river divides the southern plateau into the central highland? Beta division, the work of division is done by Narmada river. So correct answer will be Narmada. Correct answer will be Narmada. Next is the eastern and the western Ghats meet at the dash hills. The eastern and western Ghats meet at the dash hills. What will be the correct answer? बेटा ईस्टर्न और वेस्टर्न घाट जो है कहाँ मिलते हैं? Which is the point on which eastern and western घाट both meet? That place is called. What will be the correct answer here? In question number 2, what will be the correct answer? Guess. Yes student, the correct answer will be Nilgiri. Eastern and western Ghats meet at the Nilgiri hills. Next is the plateau which is not a part of the southern plateau. The plateau which is not a part of the southern plateaus, मतलब the plateau which is not a part of the southern plateau, मतलब वो plateau कौन सा है जो southern plateau का part नहीं है. So right answer will be what? Tibetan plateau. It is not the part of the southern plateau because Tibetan plateau lies in northern part of India, northern side, Next is a river which does not flow through the southern plateau. A river which does not flow through the southern region. वो कौन सा रिवर है जो कि सदर्न प्लेट्यूज की तरफ नहीं फ्लो करता है? आंसर विल बी महानदी, गोदावरी, नर्मदा and last one is Yamuna. So last, which will be the correct answer? A river which does not flow through the southern plateau. In southern plateau, Mahanadi related with southern plateau, Godavari, Narmada, both, all, and which is not, the correct answer will be Yamuna. Next is black soil is good for growing. Beta, where black soil is given, you have to choose the cotton. Black soil is good for growing cotton. So right answer will be cotton. Right answer will be cotton. Keep in mind. Next है most of the people most of the people in the plateau region are, most of the people in the plateau region are farmers, fishermen, nomads, actors. Most of the people in the plateau region, what will be the correct answer, beta? The right answer will be farmer, because farming work is going on in the plateau region, because plateaus have flat land on the top. The top of the plateau is flat, so we can do the agriculture work. So maximum the people of, most of the people in the plateau region are farmers. So I think you understand all these answer. Now we will discuss about fill in the blanks. You have to write here the correct word that is suited here. The southern plateaus are dash in shape. The southern plateaus are dash in shape. What will be the correct answer? Triangular in shape. The southern plateaus are triangular. Triangular in shape. Next is the Deccan Plateau is bordered by the dash in the west. The Deccan Plateau is bordered by the dash in the west. What will be the correct answer? Western Ghats. Western Ghats. So Deccan Plateau is bordered by the Western Ghats in the west. Next is the dash and the Chota Nagpur Plateau together. The dash and the Chota Nagpur Plateau together make the central dash. What will be the correct answer here? Dear student, first of all, there will be Malwa Plateau. The Malwa Plateau and the Chota Nagpur Plateau together make the central highlands. Next is the rivers of the south are. Here you have to write the famous river of the south. So what will be the answer? Mahanadi, Next one will be Godavari, Godavari, Krishna and Kaveri. Krishna and Kaveri. The rivers of the south are Mahanadi, Godavari, Krishna and Kaveri. And last one is the plateau region is rich in. Plateau region में सबसे ज़्यादा क्या होता है बेटा? The right answer will be coal. So the southern plateaus are triangular in shape. The Deccan Plateau is bordered by the Western Ghat in the west. The Malwa Plateau and the Chota Nagpur Plateau together make the Central Highlands. The rivers of the south are Mahanadi, Godavari, Krishna and Kaveri. And last one is the plateau region is rich in coal. So it's all about our today's class. Dear student, do revision properly and do your work properly. Learn all the things properly because examination is near to you. So keep in mind and make the use of time. Thank you. Have a nice day.